JKA Muslim state huge ruckus in Assembly as NC, BJP Spar over Waqf Act. Waqf Amendment Bill news. Jammu and Kashmir Assembly witnessed an NC vs BJP show over the Waqf Act, recently implemented in the country after successful passage of the Waqf Amendment Bill in the Parliament. Waqf Act. A massive ruckus struck the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly on Monday over the recently passed Waqf Amendment Bill in the Parliament, as the ruling National Conference demanded a discussion over the legislation, which became law after President Draupadi Murmu's assent. The NC moved an adjournment motion notice in the Assembly to discuss the law, however, the Speaker denied it, leading to an uproar in the House. Nanan the legislators of the ruling party attempted to come near the well of the Assembly, close to the Speaker, in protest. The matter is sub judice. We cannot hold a discussion on it, the Speaker said, citing rules. The BJP and NC engaged in sloganeering in the House. National Conference MLA Tanvir Siddique said that his party is opposed to the Waqf Act. There is no hesitation in holding discussion on this bill. We want a discussion on this bill. Jammu and Kashmir is a Muslim state. We are opposed to the Waqf Amendment Bill, he said. The BJP legislators responded by saying, "Why do you want a discussion on the bill when it has already taken the shape of a law?" The NC Malays told the Speaker, "We will not rest till you do not admit the adjournment motion." The NC and its allies waved a black flag in the Assembly as a mark of protest against the act. Nanan former Chief Minister and PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti attacked the NC government, stating that it appears to have completely yielded to the BJP's anti-Muslim agenda despite securing a strong mandate. She asked NC to learn from Tamil Nadu government, which opposed the Waqf bill and passed a resolution against it. It's profoundly disappointing that the Speaker JK Assembly has rejected the motion on the Waqf bill. Despite securing a strong mandate, the government appears to have completely yielded to the BJP's anti-Muslim agenda, cynically attempting to appease both sides. The National Conference NC could learn from Tamil Nadu's government, which has firmly opposed the Waqf bill. In JK, the only Muslim-majority region, it's alarming that a supposedly people-centric government lacks the courage even to debate this critical issue, Mehbooba tweeted. Nanan the Waqf Amendment Bill was passed in the Parliament after two marathon debates in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha on back-to-back days. Both discussions went late into the night. In Lok Sabha, the bill was passed in a 288,232 vote, while in Rajya Sabha, the legislation received 128 votes in favour while 95 votes opposed it. According to an official order, the new law will be titled the Waqf Amendment Act, 2025. Under this amendment, the word Waqf will be replaced with Unified Waqf Management, Empowerment, Efficiency and Development. Nan